second because it just kept blending, but the preset features automatically stop on their own once it's done. So I'm like, bro, when is this tomato soup gonna be done? It just stopped. And I added seasoning, some nutritional yeast. So excited to try. Ooh, and it smells good. Oh my gosh. And it's already hot, so if I wanted to eat the soup now, I could. I'm gonna put these in freezer bags, and I like, with liquids, I like to freeze them in these small freezer quart bags, lay it flat while it's freezing, and then once it's frozen, I'll sit it up straight in the freezer. This will be perfect, because I'm assuming each bag will probably be like 2 servings of soup. So whenever I wanna do a grilled cheese, I'll just take out one of these, defrost it, and eat my soup. I had tons of tomatoes still from the produce market. I didn't want them all to go bad. Some of them did, but made soup. I had to put bags back. I thought this would make more than what it did, but I have 2 quart size bags laying them flat. I'm gonna throw them in the freezer. Once again, once they're frozen flat, I'll sit them up in my freezer like that, you know, just save some room. I mean, you could leave it flat, but mentally I'm scared I might throw a bag of frozen onions and then it explodes.